In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail password. Keeping your Gmail secure starts with a strong, updated password. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your Google account so you can make the change confidently, whether you're on a phone or a computer. First, open your Google account. You can get there from Gmail or from any Google page by accessing your account settings. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign into Gmail with your Google account. If you're signed in, you're ready to continue. Now, look to the top right corner and tap or click your profile icon. That's the small circle with your initial or photo. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Google Account. This opens the main settings hub for everything tied to your Google identity. Inside your account, find the option for Google Password. On many devices, you'll see it labeled simply as Password under the Security section, often within a row called Signing In to Google. Select it to move to the password change screen. For security, Google may briefly ask you to verify it's you. Follow the on-screen prompt if it appears. On the password page, enter your new password. Aim for something unique and hard to guess. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, or consider a memorable passphrase that you don't use anywhere else. Avoid personal details or predictable sequences. Take a moment to type carefully so you don't introduce typos. Below that, confirm your new password by entering it again exactly the same way. This double entry makes sure there are no mistakes, and your new password will work the first time you sign back in. When both fields match, click Change Password. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. From this point on, you'll use the new password to access Gmail and the rest of your Google services. Some devices or apps may ask you to sign in again. That's normal. If your browser or password manager offers to update the saved password, that can help you avoid lockouts later. And that's it. You opened your Google account, signed into Gmail, tapped your profile icon, selected Manage Your Google Account, chose Google Password, entered and confirmed your new password, and clicked Change Password. Thanks for watching, and keep your account secure by choosing strong credentials and keeping them private.